Easy English idioms, learn English naturally, speak English like a native, improve your English fluency. Welcome back to the Speak English podcast. I'm Augustus, and you guys have been going absolutely wild in the best way. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, liking all the episodes, and for sending me so many awesome messages. Seriously, you rock. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now. Whether you're walking, driving, cooking, or just chilling in bed, you're in the right place to level up your English. And today we're diving into the world of easy idioms, simple, useful, everyday phrases that native speakers use all the time. And I mean all the time. So let's get into it. What are idioms? Why do they matter? So let's break it down. What even is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase where the meaning is different from the actual words. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. It doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It means it's raining a lot. Crazy, right? Idioms help you sound more natural. If you only use textbook English, people will understand you, but they'll feel the difference. Idioms make your English real. It's the difference between sounding like a tourist and sounding like a local. So now let's go through easy idioms you can actually use. 10 super easy idioms you already have to know. I'm going to hit you with 10 easy idioms that are short, fun, and used every day. I'll say each one, then give you a simple example you'll remember. Ready? 1. Break the ice to start a conversation. I told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. 2. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Come on, spill the beans. What did she say? 3. Hit the books study. I've got exams. Time to hit the books. 4. Under the weather. Feeling sick. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. 5. Piece of cake. Very easy. That exam was a piece of cake. 6. Once in a blue moon rarely. He visits like once in a blue moon. 7. Let the cat out of the bag. Accidentally reveal something. Oops, I let the cat out of the bag about your surprise party. 8. Bite the bullet. Do something you've been avoiding. I hate the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. 9. Hit the sack. Go to bed. I'm exhausted. Time to hit the sack. 10. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. That phone cost an arm and a leg. How idioms fit into conversations. Let's put some of these into a real conversation so you can hear how they sound naturally. Imagine this scene. 2 friends talking after a long day at work. Ugh, I'm so tired. I think I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Same, but first I need to hit the books. Got an exam tomorrow. Oof, good luck. That test cost me an arm and a leg to prepare for. Haha, thanks. I'll bite the bullet and just get it over with. Did you catch all those idioms in action? This is exactly how native speakers use them. In casual, friendly convo. Super chill, super easy. Idioms for work, school, and everyday life. Let's break it down by situation because context is key. Here's where these idioms fit best. At work, we need something to break the ice before this presentation. This client cost us an arm and a leg. At school, don't tell anyone, but I think the teacher spilled the beans. Finals week means hitting the books, no excuses. Everyday life. Let's go out. We only meet once in a blue moon. I forgot her birthday and let the cat out of the bag. Yikes. The beauty of idioms is you don't need to memorize hundreds. Just 10-15 idioms can make your speech 10x more natural. Tips to remember idioms without studying. Okay, final stretch. Here's how to remember idioms without studying like it's a school test. 1. Use them in your daily life. Even just saying, I'm going to hit the sack before bed helps your brain link the meaning. 2. Repeat them in conversations. Even if your friend already knows them, use them anyway. 3. Watch shows with idioms. Modern Family, Friends, The Office, all use idioms constantly. Read 4. Make your own examples. Say out loud, today's meeting, piece of cake. My brother spilled the beans about the surprise. 5. Don't be afraid to sound silly. Learning English should be fun, not stressful. All right, that's it for today's episode on Easy Idioms. If this helped you, and I hope it did, subscribe to the Speak English podcast right now. We've got episodes coming out every week to boost your fluency, your confidence, and your vibe. Thanks again for all your support, for sending messages, for liking, and just being part of this little English-loving crew. And remember, English doesn't have to be hard. It can be a piece of cake. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.